Want Excel to total sales, bonus, or commission all from a single drop-down? Stay with me, I'll show you how to make this smart, dynamic total in seconds. First, select your entire data range, including headers, just like this. Now go to the Formulas tab, click Create from Selection, and make sure top row is checked. Click OK. Excel has now automatically named your columns as Sales, Bonus, and Commission. Next, select the cell where you want your drop-down, here it's F2. Go to the Data tab, choose Data Validation. Set Allow to List. And in the source, select your headers from B1 to D1. Click OK, and your drop-down is ready. Now comes the magic. In the next cell, type equals, sum, open bracket, then indirect. And select cell F2. The indirect function reads the text from F2 and treats it as a named range. Close the formula, and hit enter. Now when you switch between sales, bonus, or commission, your total updates instantly. That's Excel magic in one line. And that's how you create a smart, dynamic summary in Excel, using a simple drop-down list. If this saved you time, hit that like button, share it and subscribe to Easy Click Learning.